monkey, snuffles a smile. B is for bear, dancing all the while. C is for cat, chasing butterflies. D is for dog with twinkling happy eyes. E is for elephant, spraying water high. F is for fox, sneaking softly by. G is for giraffe, stretching to the trees. H is for hippo, splashing in the seas. I is for iguana, sunning in the heat. J is for jaguar, moving fast on feet. K is for kangaroo, bouncing all around. L is for lion with the mighty roaring sound. M is for monkey, swinging in the air. N is for Newt, with colors bright and rare. O is for owl, hooting in the night. P is for penguin, waddling with delight. Q is for quail, peeking through the grass. R is for rabbit, hopping as they pass. S is for seal, clapping by the shore. T is for tiger, who loves to explore. U is for unicorn, a magical surprise. V is for vulture, soaring in the skies. W is for whale, singing deep and low. X is for x-ray fish, glowing as they go. Y is for yak, with fluffy woolly hair. Z is for zebra, with stripes to wear.